Hi, I'm Donnie Buchanan from entrycounts.com. In this video we're going to look at how to use the statement of profit and loss and or other comprehensive income. You've got two options. Option one is what you see in front of you right now, which is everything summarized into a group and then the details in the notes. So let's jump over to the notes. Down the page here, we've got the principal or primary revenue, cost of sales, finance, other income, and then other expenses. Now you may want more categories for expenses. That's the second option. So how do you do that? Well, let's go back to our reports. You need to be a customer of ours to do this. So what you have to do is click Add Report. Just type the word grouped and insert this report. Now this report here has got other groups. We have groups for amortization, bad debts, depreciation, employment, entertainment, interest, occupancy, and travel. Now you may want other groups. You can do that easily by clicking Edit Layout, and here you can change the names if you prefer. You can click on those and you can come up here and change them. In other expenses, you may find that there's other accounts that you want to group, such as accounting. Now these groups are still linking through to the notes, and you're still going to get the breakdown of the accounts in the notes. One of the last jobs is just to click in there and just remove that wording so it's more consistent with the standards. So there you go, you've got two options for the statement of profit and loss and other comprehensive income, and you can choose whichever one suits you best. Thank you.